So first thing, the shipping was fast. It came in no time. I believe they sent it U.S. Postal Service, like a first class service or something like that. So that was pretty neat. Comes in this box. This is the front, side, and the back of it. So I believe these are 9006, which is gonna go in my PT Cruiser GT, which is a 2005 PT Cruiser GT. If you're not familiar with that car, it comes with the SRT4 motor, which is a turbocharged 2.4 liter, and it's my project car, and also it's my wife's. That's my wife's car. She drives that to work. So these are the 9006 HB4. I'm just going to open this up. So the headlights are nicely packaged. They're all sealed up. Let's get the other one out there. Okay. And you can see that they have a LED on each side. These should be definitely brighter than halogen lights that I'm running now. Okay, let's install those. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to their channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification button. So we're installing these Auxito fog lights. These are actually the fog lights. They're 9006, and they're LEDs. So you don't want to touch the bulb. Don't want to get grease or grime on the bulb. And you can see a LED on both sides. This is going on a 2005 PT Cruiser GT. That comes with the SRT4 motor, and this car is a manual. It's my project car. So for that, for the PT Cruiser, you have to remove these 3 bolts, and they are a 7mm. Just do that to remove this plastic. Get behind the headlight. Fog lamp. That took a little while. We got that piece out. Now we remove this connector, the blue connector, and then the light bulb. You turn counterclockwise and pull. Yeah, you know how those things are. Sometimes they're a little hard to get out, but it came out. Now I'm gonna undo the connector. Now you can see the difference between the halogen and the LED from Auxito. Okay, that's in there, nice and flush. Now it's time to put back our plastic piece. But before that, let's see if this thing works. So that's how it looked compared to this. So these are a lot dimmer. The halogens are a lot dimmer. You could already see the brightness looks a lot better. So I think Auxito for the win. They last longer, they have more looms, they're brighter, better visibility. I'm gonna contact Auxito and get the matching headlights next. And this is with a my fog lamp lens needs to be cleared again. Sand it down and put some compound on there to bring it back, but it's still shining bright through. You could see the difference clear as day. See how dim the regular halogen is? It's like almost like a dingy yellow. So upgraded the look. Thanks again to Auxito. Check the link in the description below for their website. I recommend this product. I'm going to do some, I'll show you what it looks like at night also. So you can see the difference on the left is the Auxito LED, and on the right is a normal halogen. So you can see Auxito on my right, on my left, that's a regular halogen. So that looks a lot better. Night and day difference, no comparison. Thank you for watching the video. Auxito LED headlights for the win. There's no comparison between LEDs and the halogens. Good quality packaging, a solid product. Please click that link in the description below and use the discount code SWOOMATIC and you get a 12% off. I don't know about you, but any discount is needed for me. I want it. I want any discount. Free 99 is my favorite, but discounted is my second. You know, all the pennies count. Please tell your mom, cats, dogs, rats, bats, I don't know, anything. Subscribe to the channel. Help your boy out. Also, you know, LEDs, a good way to upgrade the look of your car, especially if you have an older model car, like the PT Cruisers from 2005. So the LEDs just give it that new type of look. All the newer cars are coming with LEDs. It's the new wave. It's the new future. Auxito LEDs. I'm gonna put them in everything I got. So I'll do a review later on down the road on how it was over months, if I notice any differences in quality. Also, I'm gonna be upgrading the headlights from Auxito on the 2005 PT Cruiser, and I'm also going to be doing a 2004 Honda Civic Hybrid. So that's coming, so you can see it in different applications and things like that, different cars, makes and models. So please hit that subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching.